Whenever there's a machine breakdown in the shop floor, everyone from the maintenance to the sales team should be notified as soon as possible. Using connecting software solutions, you can automatically create alerts in the business software you are already using the moment a breakdown occurs. Hello, my name is Pedro Noronha and I am the product manager at Connecting Software. In this video, I will show you how you can use our pre-built connectors to be notified of any problem that occurs on the shop floor. In order to do this, I will be using CB Digital Factory together with our pre-built Dynamics and Exchange connectors. If you missed our last videos where we talked about CB Digital Factory and CB Blockchain Seal, click these links. In order to show you just how simple it is to embed CB Digital Factory and our pre-built connectors into any application, I will be using Microsoft Excel and VBA. This is just for demonstration purposes, so the demo itself is simple and easy to understand. The same could be done from any software. I have with me an Arduino board, which I will use to simulate an industrial controller. Attached to the board we have several sensors, which will be the inputs of our machine during this demo. Here's what I want to show you today. I click Start and we start collecting real-time temperature data from the Arduino. I can define a temperature threshold, which will trigger an alert when violated. Using our pre-built connectors, I can, for example, send this alert via email or automatically create a ticket in Dynamics. If your next question is, Pedro, how are you doing it? Don't worry, I will break it down for you. It's not hard at all. Once again, I will break this section in 3 parts. First, let's talk about CB Digital Factory, followed by the Dynamics and Exchange connectors. Regarding the CB Digital Factory, the shop floor data collecting process used to populate the Excel file is the same as in the previous demo. Decide which tags you want to monitor, add them to a subscription, and then generate and execute the SQL query to access that information. The Dynamics and Exchange connector configurations are done on the Connect Bridge Management Studio. The configuration process is once again very straightforward and quick. We have an authentication wizard as well as a detailed step-by-step user manual to guide you in this process. If you have any questions, we also have our support team available for you. In the demo, to generate a ticket in Dynamics, I am using a simple insert SQL statement. I also need to copy the connection string into my custom integration code. As for the Exchange connector, I am using a stored procedure. By going to the Query tab and navigating to the Exchange connector, we can browse the list of stored procedures. In this case, I am using the send message stored procedure. Once again, I need to copy the connection string. After that, we simply execute the SQL queries we get from CB Digital Factory and the Dynamics and Exchange connectors, following the chosen programming languages on syntax. This is a small example of what connecting software can do for you, but the key takeaway is that you can do a lot, using simple yet extremely powerful integrations. If you have any questions or are looking for a personalized demo, feel free to get in touch with us. We can't wait to talk to you and help you solve any integration challenges that you have.